Right now the traffic flow is better, and we're approaching let's say the center of Comarnic, where again it will be just for a bit bumper to bumper, but after that we will be able to drive at higher speeds. Man, the sights are amazing, are so beautiful, and also the thought that I will get to the seaside, it is quite something. And the weather will get better and better. Right now we're exiting Comarnic. We're almost there, and you will see right away the difference. Of course, here is the same issue. We have a crosswalk right ahead, but after that point it will be a lot better. Not to mention this intersection, you see how not only people but also other cars pass from one side to the other. But now with this is as it meant to be driven. As it is meant to be driven. Here again is a very dangerous part. You can see how this working side machine exits the right side. I mean, those drivers are like savages. They don't care about the others. And right now we have the open road. Just look at it. And an amazing Porsche. Right here we have to be really careful. It's a section where we need to slow down. It's a neighborhood in Braza called Nistorești, and here we have the 70-kilometer limit speed. So just like inside of a town. But soon the limit will be over. And all this flow of cars comes from Bucharest.
Viteză redusă înainte.
awesome thing, we have 2 lanes.
În 7,5
It
km.
will be way better.
Continuă tot înainte pe drumul național 1 înspre Ploiești, București.
Right in front we have the end of the speed limit right here, and from now it's on. So the next stop, or the next pass, it will be we will pass on the right side of Câmpina, and then we will go around Ploiești and Bucharest. Again, a beautiful part where you can drive almost as you wish. Since right now in my country all the radars are operational, we need to be really careful in abiding or respecting the speed limit. Otherwise anyone risks of being fined. Nobody will stop you, so they work really, everything is automatic. They send you the picture, the car, the license plate, your face. You cannot trick the system anymore. So yeah, I will drive in the speed limits right now, as much as I would like to floor it. Especially right here, you can see again there's a car or 2 cars behind me, but like 1 kilometer away.